doing? Hold up, Bob. What is it doing?
Go more towards the medium.
Yeah, I'd rather say err on the side of more intense.
Right.
Yeah, D.
Here is Jenna.
Everyone's sabotaging my no candy diet. Do you know that they make Reese's Pieces are my new favorite candy, and I know that they are by no means good, but I never used to like them. Something's changed, and I like them more now. I'll have them here and there. 'Cause I don't eat a lot of candy anymore. But yesterday, brought me the eggs, Reese's Pieces eggs for Easter, because all that shit was candy. I've never had the eggs. They're like jumbo Reese's Pieces.
Oh, yeah. Have you had the M&M peanut butter?
Yes.
An idiot.
Really like
The
Reese's Pieces on steroids.
Reese's Pieces are like bigger than the M&M.
Yeah, yeah.
Peanut butter.
An idiot.
Those only come around this time of year.
Well, the eggshells.
Yeah. You want the really big one.
Anyway, new favorite candy alert.
This is the driver that cut me off, sideswiped me. So, Princess. Hey, Princess, look at me. Was it worth it? Huh? Was it worth it? Yeah. That's real nice, Princess. That was real nice. You're a YouTube celebrity. Just want you to know you're going on YouTube. Got you on dash cam.
Come here.
Oh, stop. What the f?
What? What?
Is she gonna hit?
Go!
What happened?
I had my blinkers.
Stopped in the middle.
I had my blinker. I had my blinker, you dumb bitch. Oh, where's your fucking blinker now, motherfucker?
Yeah, she did the same shit.
What's your problem, dude? It's fucking traffic, man. Move the fuck along. Move the fuck along, you piece of shit. Get the fuck out of here. Jesus Christ.
Hi.
I'm just saying if.
Hey. You call for Uber?
Yeah.
She might have, I don't know.
Well, no, I don't think this is the right one there, because that's no. I'm sorry. Wrong Uber. I'm sorry.
Emily,
I got somebody else I'm picking up. Sorry.
Really?
Yes.
Who are you
Unless
picking
your
up?
name is Justin.
nope, that is not Justin. All right, Emily, come on.
Sorry.
Then screw you then.
Yes. Okay. Screw me then.
All right, yeah,
Bye-bye.
I'm sorry, man.
Okay, I mean, if you're wrong, then we're gonna definitely let everyone single know that you're
Okay,
fucked up.
yeah, come on.
Bye bye. Gotta
Sorry.
go.
Listen, man, I'm really sorry.
No,
sorry.
we're not. Fuck
Yep.
you, dude. I would get
sorry,
fucked up
man.
and have no one will fucking.
Alright, man, let him do his thing.
Nah, he grabbing my shit. Come on, man. Come on,
Nah, he
man.
alright.
You
He don't
stuck
got
your
nothing
finger
on
in my
him.
hand.
He don't got nothing on him. He alright.
Yeah, don't do that.
He don't got nothing on him.
He stuck his finger in my crack, man. Don't do that, man.
Nah, he don't got nothing. Come on, man. He don't got nothing
Bro,
on
I
him.
don't have nothing. He just stuck his finger in my crack. That ain't gonna
Yeah.
get it right. I am a man, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Alright, ma'am, we're just waiting on a female to get served.
This the wrong neighborhood, man. Ain't even nothing that going on, y'all.
Come on, man.
Stop
fingering me, though,
Stop
bruh.
moving.
You fingering my ass, man.
I'm
what
outside
you
your
mean?
pants, bro.
Man,
Relax.
that's still my asshole, man. What you doing, man?
How I'm going like this?
Bruh, I pull my pants down. Don't sit here and finger my ass like that, man, like I'm not a man, man. What the fuck is you doing, man?
Did I ever say you weren't a man?
You treating me like it, though, bruh. Don't rub your finger across my ass crack like that. Let me do yours. How would you feel? Come on, man.
How the hell they breaking the law, my man?
I hear you, though, man, but come on with that right there, man. Don't demasculate me, man. I'm a man, brother.
You mean emasculate?
Demasculate. I know what I said.
Demasculate.
Well, whatever.
Lord,
However.
in lieu of not locking you up, put this in the way for this
Okay, DLU is pulling into the wrong heading.
Pull that cover over right there.
Oh, get another one, man. She ain't about nothing.
You alright?
Yeah, we good. We good. We good. Y'all have a good day. Thank y'all.
Man, you know what? I ain't home.
How y'all doing, World Star? How y'all doing, World Star? Free to read, free to work for.
I got all that shit on camera too. You going in his ass too. All that stuff going right to your captain, man. They ain't have to do all that wild stuff. Y'all know that wild shit.